In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use charts in Monday.com. Charts are an incredibly powerful way to visualize and interpret your data, making it easier to gain insights at a glance. So, let's dive right in and see how you can set this up in your own Monday.com account. First, you'll need to log into your Monday.com account. Once you're logged in, locate the board that contains the data you want to visualize. It's essential to make sure your data is well organized on your board because that will directly impact the quality of your charts. With your board open, go up to the top section and click on Add View. From the menu that appears, select Chart. This will create a new chart view for your board, and you should see a layout dedicated to visualizing your data in chart form. Now comes the fun part, choosing the type of chart you want to create. Monday.com offers several options, including bar charts, which are perfect for comparing task counts, priorities, or assignees. If you want to illustrate the distribution of tasks by status or category, a pie chart is an excellent choice. For trend analysis over time, you might prefer a line chart, or if you're looking to track multiple variables simultaneously, a stacked bar chart could be your go-to. After selecting the chart type, you'll need to specify the data you want to visualize. You can fine-tune what appears on your chart by configuring the x-axis and y-axis settings. Here, you should decide which columns to display. For example, you might choose fields like status, priority, assignee, or date. Additionally, determine what you want to measure, whether it be item count, numbers, or even time tracking data. Tailoring these settings to fit your needs will ensure your chart provides the most relevant insights. Once you've set up your chart, it's customization time. You can apply filters to focus on specific data, like tasks due this week, which can really highlight what's important. Moreover, you can group your data by various categories such as people, statuses, or tags for a more structured view. Don't forget to adjust the colors of your chart to make it clearer and more visually appealing. Customizing your chart means it's not only useful, but also looks great and is easy to interpret. Finally, make sure to save your chart view. By doing so, you ensure that you can quickly access it anytime you need that snapshot of your data. Sharing is also key, especially when working with a team. You can share the board or the dashboard with team members, allowing them to see and benefit from the visualization efforts. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've successfully set up and customized a chart in Monday.com, making data visualization straightforward and effective. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next